Memorial weekend, which means grilling, and we gotta open Jack and Pickles. Let's see if I can see him. Aww. Here they are. Aww. Good morning, Percy. Good morning. Hey, you wanna play? Ugh. 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 Boom! Come on, mommy! Come on, mommy, play! You want a headbutt? You want a headbutt? Come on, mommy, play! Aww. We can put it here. Okay, wait a minute! Here, come here. Come here. Lucy loves to play. Yeah, look at this pretty goatee you have. Oh, you want to go some more, huh? So, come on, Ma. Look at this cool goatee. Did you get him? Yeah, there you go. Eat the weeds. Yum. Mmm. Looks like spaghetti. You gonna taste everything?
Alright, well you watch him. I gotta get down and do this for him real quick. Good morning!
You want to go for a ride. He chose which golf cart he wanted.
Look at the goats over there.
Yeah, the goats are out.
Uh-oh.
Oh, look, Percy.
Yeah, look at your
Look
kid.
at everybody on Goat Island.
Man.
Yeah, those are big goats, though.
Look at the goat. Oh, don't go on the floor. Hold on to him. The goat board at the curtain.
Big ones over there.
Look at the goats, Percy. Man.
He doesn't care.
Percy, look at the goats over there. Look at that. Look over there.
Let's go to Pop-Pop's house.
Oh, I knew on the way.
Oh, yeah.
Look at him, he's chomping down. Give me a Ritz.
Oh, he loves Ritz crackers.
Mmm. In Florida, I can be dirty.
An NRF survey shows top spenders are between the age of 35 and 44. They're expected to spend an average.
Man, you got it. You got.
You guys can see where the tornado just sawed that tree right off. Bam. Poor girl.
I think she's okay, though.
She's got like throat cancer or something.
You might have a deformity, I don't know.
You know, Elvis, why don't you try eating instead of chasing everyone away? That's how you never get any. Oh, I gotta give some to Cleo.
That's why I had a load of stuff
Look.
crumbled up one day. Everybody went to eat and he tried chasing away. He was eat up before he chased me away.
Look. Does Cleo need some? Look, Cleo wants some.
Percy,
Wait, what'd you say, chicken?
Hey, hon.
What, chicken? What?
Hey, Percy, oh.
Mary and I have started to do some decoration on the playhouses, so we have some things hung up. Their mailbox. And now I'm working on our little shanty. How cute.
That looks good, though.
Come over here, look at this side.
Oh, wow. I love the crabs.
Yeah, I gotta get some more of them. And then, you know, we can
Put a few inside.
we can write the market price on here.
Put a few in there and have them.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now, how much fun would you have had as a kid?
I wouldn't leave them out though until.
No, I'm just taking pictures for now. And then this is what the other
Honey, I don't know
side
about
is looking like.
this. We're all end up breaking stuff trying to scoot that around.
Well, we'll get somebody to help us. Got some of the blues
Well, I mean,
in
this
there.
thing's heavier than you think. Yeah.
That will have water in it. So I got a couple things to hang, but it's so cute. I still have some work to do in the barn. We need to assemble our little farmer's market stand, but this is cute on its own.
That should be easy.
We've got our eggs in here, wooden ones.
What's the sand here?
It's inside.
Well, the other one's
Starting
another
over.
house, right?
We're gonna have one more house to assemble, which is gonna be going on the other side, and Terry doesn't know this yet, but we're calling it Stella's house.
No.
And that's where the kids can go in and pretend to bake Smith Island cakes. His great-grandma is Stella.
Yeah, this was her house.
And yes, our house right here used to be her house, so we're gonna make a little mini Stella's house.
Yes, we are.
I think he just cussed us out. What'd you say?
Nat got his tongue again.
It's all right. We'll be back.
I figured it out, that cup thing there. Man, it's a big one.
And we are gonna add a smart TV in here.
Yeah.
That way we can stream some things. Hi. Hi.
Go take over.
What are you doing?
More food, please.
Spoil boy. Is he good? Are you gonna go to the corn now? Now he's helping himself to the corn.
he loves that. He loves scratch grains. Look.
Yep, just put your head in there.
Sunday morning breakfast buffet.
Yummy.
Look at his nose. Breakfast buffet.
Some dirt bath. With the ducks. Were you playing with the ducks? Business was good. For our opening weekend,
Excelente.
it was very good. So, although it does not feel like summer right now, today
No,
it's
68 degrees.
very chilly, but nope, this weekend went really well. So, to be continued.
Onward.
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 Bye, guys. Oh, what'd you break?
Glasses.
$1. Why?
Colin's grilling. What are you doing?
Huh?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just hanging out on the roof. You know, as one does. Hey,
Hi.
smell this camera, ladies. Click, click, click.
Be careful.
I got all this room up here. I'm fine.
Hot dogs are almost done.
Okay.
Burgers are not.
Fun space.
Thanks. I found it myself.
Yes. That's nice.
It's actually all me.
Okay.
I'm in charge.
All right. I had no idea. Okay, that sounded dumb. All right. I had no idea that I had a berry tree out here until the kids pointed it out to me. That is so awesome. Look at that. Yum. There's berries everywhere. Now I know why all the birds have been going crazy.